Today is the try not to get more sunburnt day. I seem to have healed a lot since yesterday. It's way less painful, but still, I'm gonna stay inside most of the day to let it heal. And now I'm getting a bit bored, and there should be a really nice museum in town, which I think I'm gonna go in and visit now. That was a very nice museum, and I've also quickly been to the supermarket with a free shuttle bus that goes there. I got some chicken. I'm gonna make some chicken with rice and cream thing. I don't know if I mentioned this, but there's another Danish boat here with an older couple on it, and I went to them with them to the supermarket. And we met another Danish couple there that was here on vacation just, I think. You don't meet many Danish people, but now I'm just surrounded by them. Finished my food, excited to eat it. It will be the first real food I'll be eating for, I think, quite some time. I've just been living on rice and pasta sauce and mac and cheese. So yeah, it's very much one color, but it should be really good. And together with some sweet Dragon Ball, I think it's gonna be a good evening. Now I think I will go on a long bike ride up north and see flamingos, hopefully, and some other interesting stuff. There should be 2 snorkeling sites that I have not seen yet, that are on the way, so some snorkeling too. I've been cycling across this horrible dirt road that's just really, really long, in the hopes that to see some Indian inscriptions. I couldn't even find them, so I just turned around and tried to get back again. And then on the way back, my back tire of my bicycle began losing air, and I've got, I think, at least 20 kilometers back to the boat. Got a lift back from a very nice local family. I think I'm even back here before I would have been if I had ridden my bike, so that's pretty great. Now I'm just inflating this old piece of crap. I have been extremely lazy today. I've pretty much done nothing. I haven't done terribly much today either, but at least I've been somewhat productive. I have cleaned up a bit, but made a mess too, so I'll get that together. I've made bread, and most important of all, I have fixed the front sail, so that's all good now. I'm actually gonna do stuff today. I'm planning on going to Bonaire when the water taxi goes, which is in about 2 hours. The microphone is acting up again. Yay! So I think until I get it fixed, it'll just be internal mic or without sound, which is, I think, better than the internal, because the internal is really bad, as you can hear. It's been a few too many days where I've practically done nothing, just enjoying the sun and the water and really just chilling, being on the computer. But today I am going for a bike where I should actually this time get to see flamingos. I am about here in the main city. I'm not going to try and pronounce it. I'm gonna take the trip down here around this point and up home again. That should be like 20/30 kilometers, and down here should be flamingos. And there should be a good snorkeling spot here. I did patch it up, but apparently not. I missed somewhere, I don't know. Everything is ready to go on the trip I wanted to go on yesterday now. I borrowed this nice pump, and now this is good. There was a tiny hole in it. took a wrong turn and I ended up at the donkey sanctuary again. So I had to go 5 kilometers back to get on the right track again. That was a great trip. I saw flamingos, saw all kinds of interesting stuff. Really nice. Even a few barracudas. I don't know if I got a good shot of them, if you'll have seen them, but I saw them. As you might be able to hear, the weather went from looking a bit bad to being really, really bad. Not that bad, but it's raining more than I've seen all the other days combined. I'm gonna clean the bottom of the boat now. It's very dirty. I'm not gonna take you down there, you already saw it some time ago, but I will show you the work after. I've been at it for about 4 hours now, and I'm not even halfway. Remember to subscribe to the Patreon, and of course thank you to all the Patreons for making cocaine addiction a possibility.